morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon,
Good
ma'am.
afternoon, beta. Good afternoon. Last week I was absent. Your class was missed, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So now tell me, we were doing the exercises of the chapter, right? Les
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
We were doing the exercises. Let's get back to the exercises. Okay, which exercise are we on?
Ma'am, we have to do 71 page number.
71. Okay, very good. 71 page number. Now see, in this, all of you, please first of all open your cameras. Open your cameras, everyone. Very good, very good. And Sukhsahaj, what about you?
Ma'am, opening in 2 minutes.
Okay. Now see, the first thing that you're supposed to do is you need to know the adjectives, how to use age, and the nationality. These three things have been used. So what you're supposed to do, like it is written, the first example, say Tanish. This is Anish. Il a dizon. Il a dizon. He is 10 years old. Il est Indian. He is Indian. And il est beau. Now, based on this thing, you have to fill the other three blanks. Is that clear? Try to do it yourself. You have 2 minutes to do them and then we'll discuss. Dash Caroline. What have you written in the first blank? All of you type in the chat box. Sorry, both of you, only 2 students are here. Both of you type in the chat box what you have written. Done. Sukh, Sahaj and Utkarsh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, let me see. Very nice. The first one is correct. Then LA dash. Now what adjective do you want to use here? LA dash. Sky Sharma, beta, open your book to page number 7070. We are doing this exercise here.
Ma'am, 70.
Yes, 7070. The exercise given, children are typing the answers in the chat box. What will be the adjective for LA? LA means she is. Now, what do you want to write? She is what?
Ma'am, intelligent.
Okay, what will you write for intelligent? Type in the chat box. What is the word for intelligent? Type in the chat box. How do you write intelligent? Intelligent. Very good, Utkarsh. Very nice, Ayushi. No, but Ayushi, see, what you have done, you have not put E in the end. Because this adjective is being used for a female, for a girl, we are going to add E. This is how you use adjectives now in French.
Yes.
Yes, add an E in the end. What about you, Sukh, Jasmine? Beta, why are you not typing the answers? Sky Sharma. Then the third one. What is the third blank? LA dash. Now you can write some nationality here. So which nationality according to the name would you like to give? LA what?
Ma'am, France.
No, she is not France. She is French. What do you say? You say French. But what is French called in French language? What is a French person called? Check in the table of nationalities. It's called a Français, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Il est français, elle est française. So type the spelling of française in the chat box.
Ma'am, typed.
Very good. Next, L dash these on. What will come in this blank?
Ma'am, please tell the page. Ma'am, is.
So for is, what are you going to type?
Ma'am, est.
No, not est. What do we use with age? Which verb comes with age? Être verb never comes with age. Which verb do we use? We use avoir.
Ma'am, avoir.
Yes, look above in the Anish, lines of Anish, how the age is written? Il a dix ans. So
Ma'am,
here,
il a.
yes, so here also we will write L,
Yeah.
L a dix ans. Then next, type the answers for this one. This is dash student. This is what student? This is a student. So what are we going to use for a? What do we use for a? No, c'est un étudiant. And if it was a girl, we would have written c'est une étudiante. Is that correct? Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then il dash Pedro. Now Pedro is a name. So what will you write in this blank?
Ma'am, est.
Very good. It's not est, it's A. Il e Pedro. We are going to type EST, Il e Pedro. Then, il dash español. What is español? Spanish. He dash Spanish. What will come in the blank?
Ma'am, is.
Yes. So what do we write for is? Il est. Very good, Jasmine. Ayushi. Il est français. Sorry, il est espagnol. Then, il dash dash on. Now, everybody just type the answer. Utkarsh, type the answer in the chat box. Sai Sharma, Ayushi, Jasmine, Ishu, all of you. Type the answer in the chat box.
Okay.
Il, very nice, Utkarsh. Perfect. Il a dash. So you've written these. Il a these on. And Sky Sharma, why this copy paste? Ayushi, we have 2 blanks. So you're supposed to give 2 answers. Jasmine and Ayushi. According to you, he dash 10 years. You have not filled the first dash. What will come in the first dash? Jasmine and Ayushi, what will be right in the first blank? Very bad. No response. Both of you can leave the class, beta. Both of you can leave the class. If you want to be like this in the class. If you don't know, say, ma'am, I don't know. At least don't sit like a... Now, Ayushi,
I don't know.
he 10. He 10, what will be right in between he and 10? What are we going to write between he and 10? Very good. Il a these on. Very nice. Then next, for the last one, set un. This is a what? This is a dash.
Ma'am,
No. Yes.
girl.
Very good. Very nice. What will you write for girl? This is a girl.
Ma'am, ele.
Fee. Fil. Fee.
Ele.
It's not fillet, it's fee. F-I-L-L-E. Double L is silent. Say tune fee. Everybody speak. Say tune fee.
Say tune feel.
Very
Say
good.
tune feel.
Say tune fee. Fee. Just fee. The fee that you pay for your school, it's fee. Say tune fee.
Okay.
Then
S-U-C.
dash s'appelle Sonia. Dash calls herself Sonia. What will we write? What are we going to write?
Ma'am, J.
I call herself Sonia. If we put here, it becomes I. Sentence is dash calls herself Sonia. Will we not write she calls herself Sonia?
Yes, ma'am.
Then for she, what are we going to write?
Ma'am, ele.
Yes. Elle s'appelle Sonia. Now, which nationality would you want to give to Sonia?
Ma'am, Indian.
Very nice. Type the spelling for Indian in the chat box. Wrong, Jasmine. What do we type for Indian? Indian. Indian. Okay. Okay. Next. LR dash dash on. Now we have two blanks over here. So we need to choose a number that has two words like 17, 18, 19, 17 onwards. What number are you going to put? Tell me.
Ma'am, accept.
Very nice. These said, these with, these knock, any number. Then L A dash. Sorry, L dash dash. So you can, nationality we have already written. So what we'll write is, we can choose an adjective here to write. What that adjective can be? Any adjective, good, bad, anything.
Ma'am, kind.
Right? Right, kind. Show me. Type the whole sentence. She is kind. How will you type? How will you type? Tell me. How will you write? She is kind. Sky Sharma, beta, why are you not responding? Jasmine, why are you not writing anything?
Ma'am, I am writing.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, sent in chat box.
L.A. sympathy. Very nice. And according to you, Sky, what nationality, sorry, what adjective are you going to use for her?
Ma'am, intelligent.
Okay. Intelligent. So write it. Write it, Sky. Hurry up, beta. Let's move on to the next one then. The last exercise of this chapter. Sky, are you not writing? Okay, let's move ahead. Now, this exercise is écoutez et complétez les phrases. Listen and complete these phrases. But since we cannot listen, we are not in the language lab. What we'll do is we will do it on our own. Now see, here the names are given. According to these names, let's just guess their nationality. Let's just guess the country they live in. Like Emma. Now Emma habite en Algérie. LA Algerian. Now children see, wherever we are using EN. EN always comes before, EN stands for in, and it always comes before feminine countries. Okay, I have typed in the chat box, write it as it is. EN comes before feminine countries. AU comes before masculine countries. And AUX comes before plural countries. Now, countries are also known by their gender, by the number. Like a country like United States is a plural country. Japan is a masculine country. France, India, They are feminine countries. How will we come to know whether a country is feminine or masculine? By page number 67. You can check on page number 67. All the countries have been written by la, la, and lay before them. Can you see?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now here, habite. The first sentence, Emma habite en Algerie. She lives in Algeria. She is Algerian. Is that correct? Habite stands for to live. Habiter is to live verb. Now like the next one, Jean, Jean. The name is Jean. Which country? And see, they have also written en. That means we have to choose from the table given behind. Is that correct? Any feminine country, we have to choose from there. Then what nationality are you going to give that person? Depends on the country name you are using. Is it clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
I'm giving you 5 minutes. Just try to do it on your own. Will you be able to do it?
Ma'am, seventh question.
Yes, beta. 7th question.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Done, beta? Done?
No, ma'am.
Only 3 left.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I can't understand this question.
Now you are telling Utkarsh. See, beta. If I tell you, okay, let's just talk in English. If I tell Paul and Nicole live in dash. So according to Paul and Nicole, which country would you suggest? They live in which country? Just open,
Ma'am.
you just open page number 67 before you. Okay? And the country
Okay, ma'am.
should be feminine country. So which country would you choose?
Ma'am, Spain.
Okay. So what is Spain called? Espanol.
Espanol.
Okay. So Paul and Nicole habit on Espanol. Fine. Right there, Espanol.
Okay, ma'am.
Then they are asking, ils sont. Now when you have only said that they live in Spain, so they are what? Person living in Spain would be Spanish.
Ma'am, Spanish.
Right. So what
Yes,
is
ma'am.
Spanish called in French? Tell what is Spanish called in French?
Ma'am, Le Espagne.
Okay, it is called Espanol. But we are talking about two people right now. Nicole and Paul. What was the name? Nicole and Paul. So we will write the spelling as Espagnols. They are Spanish. Spanish in their plural form. Correct?
Okay, ma'am.
Now, let's come on to the fifth sentence. Neha lives in dash. Which country? It should be a feminine country because we have en in this sentence also. So choose a feminine country from there.
Ma'am, Indian.
N. Okay, so Neha Abhi Tonan LA. Now she is what? She is
Indian.
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 Very nice. Very good. What will you write the spelling of Indian in this blank? INDIENNE because Neha is feminine. So we will use the nationality also feminine. Is that clear, Utkarsh, now?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Now will you be able to do it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do it. Done it? Children done?
Yes, ma'am.
All of them?
Yes.
Okay, do one thing. Click a picture and send it on the class group. I want to see what you have done.
Ma'am, I not understood ninth one.
What? Send it on
Ma'am,
the
I
class group,
not
beta.
understood ninth one. Ma'am, I cannot understand my question.
You cannot understand the ninth one.
Yes, ma'am.
Fatima and Bano. Fatima A. Bano, Abid. Now, they live where? They live in dash. El Son dash. Now, Fatima and Bano, the name suggests that it should be a Muslim country, right? So let's write either Pakistan or let's write Arabi Saudi. Saudi Arabia or Pakistan, no? We can write any of the two countries.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And El Son dash. Now, if you have written Pakistan, then write Pakistan as, otherwise Saudi N in the plural form because we're talking about two girls.
Okay, ma'am.
Jasmine, beta, send it on the class group if you have done.
Okay, ma'am. And ma'am, I have sent.
Okay, Jasmine. Beta, now listen, Jasmine. Which country do you live in? You tell me your country name. Where do you live?
India.
India, right? So will you say you live in Indian? You live in Indian or India? India. And that makes you an Indian. What does it make you? It makes you an Indian. So you have written in all the blanks, you have written the nationality first. You're supposed to write the country name, beta, not the nationality. Like Emma, Abid, now write France, not Française. In the